Welcome back to the shop. It's Monday, the 22nd of January, 2018.
Hi, everybody.
Some good hot cocoa on a rainy, cold night. Really tastes good this evening. Missed my tea, but boy, that's going down good. All right, let's start how we always start. Talk about who was here this weekend. Not a lot happening as far as company this weekend. Jay came up both Saturday and Sunday. Saturday we primarily worked around the sawmill and cleaned up and picked up and burned and got some things ready, and then we did some stuff around the shop that we'll talk about later. But that was it. Nobody else got to come up, did they? Butterbean was sick, and Daniel Kim stayed home with her and took her to the doctor on Sunday. I hope she's feeling better. Sound like she was feeling better.
Yeah, she sounds like she's doing much better.
All right, but that was it for who was here this weekend. All right, let's move on. Now, let's talk about what all we did in the shop. And it was really busy this week. I think we're pretty steady this week.
Completely steady.
Yep. Saturday, Jay and I cleaned up and burned the rest of that stump up that was sitting over here behind the wood pile where we're cutting up lumber. We got it all cleaned up and that stump finally gone. We cleaned up the rescue trailer. We had some logs on it left over from Van. We took those off and actually put them right on the cutting ramp behind the sawmill, so those will be ready to be cut. We got those poplars. I think we can cut those after Daniel did the disc and everything. I'll get those cut up and just make them into some big old cants. We finally got around to laying out the shelving system for the trailer out here, for our show trailer. I think I'm going to like what we come up with.
I think so too. I think it's going to give us a lot more space and stuff from getting dinged.
It's going to make a huge difference. So we're going to do some welding on that. We may do a little bit of a welding video. I haven't decided if I'm going to go down and get angle irons, get some mild steel angle iron, and I might go aluminum. I was really thinking about doing aluminum shells up there. Either way, we'll probably take along, let you watch us weld a little bit. Hopefully there'll be some aluminum action kind of going on.
Well, him weld. I'm not up to par yet.
That's it. Mama can watch. We emptied out the kiln. We've had some wood in there for quite a while. Some pine in there that we're going to make some craft boards and stuff. Got that emptied out. Got the board sitting outside the door now that it's raining, of course. But they should be fine. I'm going to put them on the mill, kind of cut a good edge on them, and then we're going to edge them up and make some craft boards out of them. Mom worked on Carol B. That's right, our big supporter who's kind of been behind Two Dogs all the way. Worked on a table that we're making for her. Now, we're making a coffee table. We're going to shoot a video on that. But Mama started a few things on it. But we're going to shoot a build video on that. Really, I think that's going to be a beautiful table.
It's going to be a gorgeous table.
Absolutely gorgeous.
What kind of wood is it?
That's Chinese chestnut.
Chinese chestnut, yeah.
Yeah, and we got some big plans for that, so we're looking forward to that. Mom and I worked on that tricycle horse over here. You remember the one I showed you the picture of? We worked on it. We've got it looking pretty good.
Oh,
We've got
looking
a lot more work
absolutely
to do,
wonderful.
but it's really looking good. We got the one wobbly wheel that was on there fixed. We've got the horse's tail, the one that was tore off, removed. We pulled it off. We're looking for donor horses around the yard, Rhiannon, for a tail. So we'll be doing that and getting that ready. Maybe get you some pictures of that once it's done. Mom did a pour on several epoxy pour on several of her tabletop, and she did this dolphin that was really cool. That we need to show you, but she worked on it, and this is actually more of a finished product, but it's not, because it's actually going to go on a table. So this itself is finished, but it's going in the kind of worked on but not completed, because we did not, or what we're going to do is put it on a table, and we got some plans for that we want you to see. What else did we do? We checked out Jay and Tangie's Wedding. That's the big thing, wasn't it? Last Tuesday night. Jay and Tangie's Wedding venue, and I can announce, I was told I can announce, the venue is going to be at Bowsen Venue in Harlem, Georgia, and the wedding date. What's our wedding date?
October 19th of 2019.
That's right, October 19th, 2019. Big, huge day for Two Dogs. We're looking forward to it. We're extremely excited. The venue is gorgeous. Again, that venue is Bowsen Venue, Harlem, Georgia. Absolutely beautiful facility.
Look them up.
Yeah, look them up online. Y'all pull these folks up online. Absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful area.
It is gorgeous. It really is. It's nice. It's going to be perfect with the plans that Tangie has made. It's just going to be an incredible event. We're excited for the wedding. Heck, it could happen down here in the lake, and we'd be tickled pink. But gosh, that's a gorgeous spot they picked out. So we're really looking forward to that. I think that's going to be a great event.
It's going to be beautiful.
So now let's move on and talk about what we got finished for completed projects. Again, didn't do a whole lot of completed projects here. You kind of can count the Dolphin because the Dolphin itself is finished. However, the dolphin is going to go on a table. It's going to look really, really neat, and then we're going to bring that back later and show you what that looks like. Jay did a lot of work. Now, if you remember, what has it been, about 2 weekends ago, we went over to our good buddy Ben and Janice over here in Appling, Georgia, and we picked up a couple of logs. Well, one of the logs we picked up was kind of small. It was a small log, but it had a Y in it. It had a fork in it, and Jay took that fork and turned, gosh, a gorgeous vase. And I'm not even really sure what kind of wood that was. Are you? I'm not really sure.
We weren't sure if it's white oak or red oak because it had some green in it. It was just beautiful.
We don't really know, but he turned a absolutely gorgeous vase, and then he had an old bowl blank that's been kicking around the shop for, I don't know, 5, 6 years.
Years.
And he turned a really pretty bowl out of that. Why? I don't know why we didn't think to take any pictures of it.
We didn't do pictures of either one of those.
Yeah,
I did take one picture of him doing the Y.
Yeah, I'll put some pictures of him actually turning the vase up here. We'll go ahead and I think I got 2 pictures of that. We'll put that in right now. Alrighty, so we've got that in there. But yeah, we don't have any of the finished product, and I don't know why. It's just something he kind of just out of a lark on Sunday.
I think we were outside doing something else when he actually finished it.
Yeah, we were
and then he just kind of put it in his car.
Yeah, so it's kind of a neat thing. So that was our completed projects. We're going to get more back on track here, probably starting next week.
Yep.
We're also going to take and start videoing some of our projects, some of the smaller stuff, so y'all can kind of keep up with what's going on in the shop with us. Alrighty.
See anything you like, pass it around. We're looking for buyers.
There you go. Shows and markets, nothing's changed there at all. We're still kind of looking, waiting for March to roll around, for that 3rd weekend in March to go up to Market 400 in Atlanta, but no changes right now. We're really kind of going to dedicate ourselves to that market and focus on that market. Maybe do an art show here and there until we get to the end of the season and do the ones we normally do. But right now our main focus is on Atlanta and getting ready for that. I think we're going to be ready.
I think we are.
A lot of neat things on that. So no new news on the markets and everything. All right. Time to move on. Time to move on and talk about what's upcoming for Two Dogs. Now there's a lot going on. We got a lot planned here for the next couple weeks. First of all, we're going to mill some horse jumps for Reebok's good friend up in North Carolina. I've already picked out the logs, or excuse me, not logs, but the cants that we're going to use for that. Get them cut up. I'm not sure exactly how many I'm making. I think we're going to go with 4 sets, I think is what I decided. Reebok, if you need some more, just let me know. Text me, put it in the comments below. But that's what we're going to start off on. We're going to pick up a cedar log from our good friend Lisa and Stanley. They have an aunt down in, right off
Granite?
80. Yeah. No, it's something else. But anyhow, we're going to go pick up a cedar log from her probably Saturday morning. That'll be me and Stanley riding in there. Jay won't be able to come. And then we got to go over here behind the old high school in town, and we're going to take a look at that little subdivision area back there. There's a maple tree back there that needs to come down, so we're going to look at that on Saturday. So that's planned for Saturday. Then we're going to probably go over to our good buddy Vin's. We didn't get to go this past weekend because Vin had to go pick up some horse hay, and it got kind of late in the evening on Sunday for us to go over and pick up logs. So we're going to probably go pick up some logs from our good buddy Vin. Gosh, there's oak over there. There's a ton of stuff over there that we still have to pick up. And then let's see, we're going to continue building for Jay and Tangie's wedding. We're really excited about that. We've got, what do we got? We've got the ring boxes to make. We have got chargers to make.
Table to make for the pictures.
Yeah, for the memorial table.
We've
got that. We've just got tons of things to do for that. We're going to really start kind of gearing up to do all that and get that ready. I'm cleaning out of the area upstairs up here above the actual shop. And we're going to put that area, it's just going to be nothing but things for the wedding. So as Jay and Tangie gets those, over the course of the next year and a half or so, we'll be able to put everything there.
In one spot.
Yep, and then the week before the wedding, I'm planning to take that whole week off, and maybe the Monday following, but I'm going to take that whole week off the week before, and then a day or two before the wedding, because they've got this venue from pretty much from Monday before the wedding to Monday after. So we're going to load up the big show trailer and take everything at one time and get everything set up and have everything kind of moved at one time. So we're going to continue working on up there and get that cleaned up. And then big, huge news. Really big news. Just found out about it this evening. Jay the fireman. That's right. Jay got a letter from the fire department that he is going to test to be a fireman.
Hey, I didn't hear that. That's awesome.
Maggie down here even got excited about that.
Oh, that's
But
awesome.
Jay, he got accepted. His application got accepted, and he's got to go in and test for a fireman and all that. And who knows what he's doing. I'm sure there's going to be a written part, and there's probably be a part where he has to carry a 70-pound dummy. And I said, well, heck, he had brothers his whole life growing up. He's used to carrying dead weight. That's terrible.
Oh, that's terrible.
That's terrible. But yeah, we're really excited that he's going to be able to test for all this. And Jay, we like to say congratulations, good luck. And,
Hope you make it.
We look forward to you driving a big old fire truck. I always wanted to ride on one. So that's all the big news.
We got one more big announcement.
What's that? Come on.
This weekend on Sunday is your father's birthday. You see all back here, he's going to be 56.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do is Sunday we're going to try to get as many of you together, and we're going to have a nice dinner for him and bring lots of gifts. For me.
Yeah.
Not necessarily for him, but for me. Okay?
Bring stuff for the shop. All right.
Bring stuff.
Thank you for that. I did not expect that. Thank you very much. All right. Well, with those two big announcements, I think that's just about it for this evening.
Yep.
I think we're all done. As always, we'd like to say thank you for watching the video. And remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop. Welcome back to the shop. It's Monday, the 22nd of January, 2018.
Hi, everybody.
Some good warm cocoa on a hot, it's a hot. Welcome back to the shop. It's Monday, the 22nd of January. My voice cracked. Son of a gun. Oh. Welcome back to the shop. It's Monday, the 22nd. I mean, I forgot to set my drink up. Throw me a